I'm often asked to do a review of legal documents, the legal pack in relation to properties that are coming up at a BidX1 auction or a similar auction. There's other auction houses like Gibson's, and I can't recall the names of the others, but you know what I mean. It's an online digital auction situation. It's a very good idea, strongly advisable to have the legal pack reviewed first, because you buy the property very much in the condition that it's in, and having looked at the legal documents, the title documents, contracts and so on. I do reviews, and I can do it by video, or I can do it, I do a letter of advices, and then obviously there's a follow-up as well if you have any questions. So basically what it entails is me reviewing all of the title documents that are being offered for a particular BidX1 auction, reviewing the contract and advising you then as to what the issues might be in relation to that particular individual property. And as I say, I can do it by video, or I can do it in writing by a letter and send it on to you by email. Obviously there's a charge for the thing, there's a charge for the service, because it does take a bit of time, and it does take a bit of expertise. It does take a bit of experience as well as to what to look for, the important things. But if that's something that you're interested in, let me know. Send an email. My contact details are at the end of this video. And basically it's just a review of the legal pack for a BidX1 auction or similar auctions, which will be available on their website, on the website of the auction house. As I say, you can contact me through the contact details. My email address is the best way to do it, and there is a fee, as I say, but if you're serious about buying a property at auction, you should seriously consider carrying out your due diligence in advance, because it would be strongly advisable, as I say, you do buy the property very much in the condition that it's in. And I have seen some appalling situations where people have bought property at auction and then discovered, for example, that they're not getting vacant possession, that there's actually a tenant or there's somebody in occupation, and the receiver is basically saying, and it's normally a receiver, is basically saying, we know nothing about it, and you've bought the property in the condition it's in, with the occupier or the occupant in situ, because it's in the contract and you had your chance to review it beforehand. Anyway, hope you find this useful.